This just came out in the last 30 seconds. We've been watching this storm. We know it had a really developed hail core, and what we think happened is kind of what we saw earlier in the evening. Hail core collapsed and started a rotation going. This tornado warning till 8:15. Everybody pay attention just for a moment here. This is the 35 corridor. We're in Johnson County. We are south of Tarrant County. This is Joshua. Okay, let's put up a, there it is. Can you see it? This is really close to the radar, by the way. We can see this clear rotation that is going on. This is radar indicated. There's State Highway 171, and there's West Vaughn Road. There's 174, by the way. So we think this tornado is right here. Radar indicated, Aaron, I'm going to assume here. We've just got an update, and we're still getting a pretty clear signature here as it's crossing 174. Well, let's assume what it was at 35 down here.
It's moving east at 35.
At 35, okay. So let's track this possible tornado that's on the ground just south of Joshua, getting ready to cross I-35. All right, so the tornado warning extends over Johnson County, and as we track this puts it close to Keene, probably just to the north of Keene by 7:56 here. So in about 6 minutes north of Keene, and we'll put on a few more locations. There's Egdon and Happy Hill and Alvarado, so you can get an idea of this area. Again, here's 35, and there's the tornado, and it's moving kind of like that. So this is a radar indicated tornado. Again, we'll zoom in a little bit closer, crossing State Highway 174. Remember, the information we get on this radar is about a minute to a minute and a half delayed, depending on what mode they have the radar in. So it's probably crossing 174. Oh, wow, it's completely rain wrapped, so you're not going to be able to see anything. Don't try to rush out the door and see this thing. You're going to only see rain, and it's getting dark now. This is Joshua. This is Keene. This is 35. If you're listening to me, if you live anywhere in this area between Joshua, Keene, Long 35 in Johnson County, I need you to take shelter immediately with this possible radar indicated tornado right there. We'll zoom in again real close to it here. I'm trying to get the latest information here on the chat.
They haven't said anything.
They have nothing that's going down, nothing that's being confirmed yet on this. Again, there's State Highway 174 where the circulation is. Aaron, can we look a little bit higher up? If you bottom left, there's the numbers 1 through 14, and look at 4, and let's see if it is tracing up into higher reaches of the atmosphere, because what we're always interested in is if we see this rotation low, do we see the rotation high? And yes, we do. So that's another indication that we're looking at a possible tornado. I'm going to put up shear and see if we're seeing any translation down to the surface with the circulation, and we are. So this is the really, really high winds a tornado can produce, and you can see in yellow here, that's usually winds over 100 miles an hour over by State Highway 174. Again, this is a few minutes old when we show you the location, and the winds and the hail have been really strong, and then now we're increasing. Yeah, now we're watching them really starting to increase. Again, here's the rotation. Let's put in that like the last 15 minutes if you can, and let's see if it's tightening up. But now it's approaching Keene, just to the north of Keene, like as I was telling you. This is way south of Briar Oaks, by the way. Yeah, we can see it getting organized. Yeah, it's getting more and more organized. This is probably a small, quick spin-up tornado inside the rain core and where the hail has been. And here is 35 right here. We'll sample the hail, and this was massive hail coming out of this thing, and then it was starting to die down. And what can happen is that rush of cold air hitting the surface starts a rotation going, and it looks like it got this possible tornado going. This is all in Johnson County. Tarrant County's up here. You don't have to worry. We're talking about what's happening down in Johnson County over between Joshua and Cleburne. We're hearing the lightning from this system here at the station in Tarrant County. You're getting some heavy rain and some lightning and maybe some small hail from this. But our biggest concern right now is this tornado warning that goes on till 8:15. So they're going to continue it here for about another 20 minutes and takes it to the Ellis County line.
So, you know, something, Jeff, that the National Weather Service is mentioning, and we've been talking about it behind the scenes, is it becomes a little more linear. We're likely starting to lose that hail threat a little bit,
Yeah.
but the threat for the embedded tornadoes starts to pick up, and that's what this would be, kind of between Joshua and Keene, would be a rain-wrapped just tornado embedded within all of the rain here.
Okay. Yeah, and that makes perfect sense when they go linear like this. You get a rush of wind and get a clear rotation. Look at that. I mean, that is just showing up clearly on velocity mode. Farm to Market Road 3048, County Road 701. If these roads are familiar to you, this is County Road 701A. That's FM 2280 that goes into Keene right through downtown. You know, that's where it hooks up to 67. And the rotation is going to pass just over the northern parts of Keene. And, you know, sometimes when the rotation gets going, they turn a little bit to the right. So, Keene, you're in the path. If you can hear me, or you know anyone in Keene, get them on the phone. Let them know we've got a possible tornado in Keene, and it's headed towards Alvarado. That's the interstate. That's 35. So it's going to cross over going down 67 and headed towards Alvarado. So this is a very dangerous situation. These storms so far, the main fear has been really large hail. And there have been reports of hail 3 inches in size throughout the night. But this is the first tornado warning we have, and oddly enough, not in the tornado watch, but in the thunderstorm watch that's been out till 9 o'clock. So there's a big swath of heavy rain and a lot of lightning with this, and probably in some patches some small hail. But there's an update, and we're seeing that clean edge now in part of the reflectivity, and that's a sign the line, the wind is starting much more organized here. And here's the latest rotation. It's starting to weaken a little bit, maybe.
A little bit of broadening.
Yeah, we're seeing it broaden out, and kind of, that wouldn't surprise me either, Aaron, that, you know, it'd be a short-lived tornado that's rain-wrapped inside a system that started from a hail core collapse. So these usually don't last long, but you know, every time you have a weather thing, it's different, right?
So if you're between Joshua and well, really this looks like it's probably to the south and east of Joshua proper at this point. We're certainly a little more concerned about Keene, Highway 67, kind of headed towards 35 near Alvarado. So just kind of keeping an eye on this.